Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start in London, where MPs are preparing to challenge Prime Minister Theresa May over the degree of access Britain will get to the EU single market. A series of legal battles are expected to take place over the government's right to take Brexit decisions alone. The conflict has emerged after the events of the Conservative Party conference, where May seemingly focused more on immigration than single market access, leaving many senior Conservative backbenchers and business leaders unhappy. MPs vented their concerns yesterday and highlighted the Conservatives' 2015 manifesto that signalled a strong commitment to the single market. Attorney General Jeremy Wright will go to court to defend the government's right to activate Article 50 without parliamentary approval. In the US, last night saw the second presidential debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. In what has been a turbulent week for the controversial Republican nominee, Trump faced numerous questions regarding his highly sexist and offensive comments made about women. Several Republican heavyweights have withdrawn their support for Trump after Friday's revelations, yet the presidential hopeful has remained resilient and vows to put Clinton in jail if he is to become president in November. In currency news, traders will be paying close attention to the sterling after Friday's surprise crash, which saw the pound plummet to its lowest level since the referendum result. The drastic decline is thought to be yet another sign that the currency will experience numerous ups and downs in a period of uncertainty following the Brexit result. In oil news, prices fell at this morning's open as doubts continue to mount regarding the provisional OPEC agreement to cut output. Many speculators are struggling to see the cut being supported by other producers such as Russia. In indices, the UK 100 closed yesterday with very little movement, witnessing a 2.1 point decline, and is currently trading down on today's open at around 7,050. Germany 30 closed 3.5 points down, and yesterday, whilst the France 40 also finished 3.9 points lower. Both markets have opened low this morning. In corporate news, AB InBev is expected to close its mega brew deal with SABMiller today. If all goes to plan, the newly merged group will list on multiple stock exchanges, though not the FTSE 100. Software group WANdisco has announced a string of new board member appointments and 2 new record contracts, just days after the chief executive returned and its chairman promptly resigned in protest. YouGov has posted a 16% rise in revenues and 27% boost in operating profit. In upcoming data, today is a relatively quiet day in data. 7 AM saw the release of Germany trade balance, and at 9 AM Italian industrial production figures are revealed. Thank you for listening.